मेरी रूह खुदा की प्यासी है, मेरी रूह खुदा की प्यासी है, मेरी रूह।
Dear viewers, receive these greetings in the name of your Maker. Ninawasalimu katika jina la Yesu. Kuna habari ambayo ningependa kuwasomea. There is the news that I want to read for you, and it is good news, and that news is a notice. Yani hiyo habari ni matangazo. Who created you? Who made you and gave you the breath of life? Who gave you an opportunity to be alive even today? Don't pretend that you cannot see this notice. The one who gave you the breath of life, which shall end after the number of years, is also willing to give you the life that has no end, the life that is everlasting, and has no measure of times or years, but will last forever. He has given you the free opportunity to get the crown of life, and that is why He loves you. The one who created you and made you alive has placed an opportunity at your table to watch and subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is called The True Way to Heaven Gospel Messages, so that you shall know how to get the crown of life that you desire, the life in which you shall never die, and the situation whereby there is nothing like death. There is a lot to learn about how to get the crown of life. The YouTube channel is called The True Way to Heaven Gospel Messages, and there is still another amazing YouTube channel called End Time Breaking Mackenzie.
This is my desire, to honor you, Lord, with all my heart I worship you. All I have within me I give you praise. All that I adore is in you.
There is a lot of knowledge that is in secrets that you don't know, and you need them urgently, even more than the ambulance that is rushing someone to the hospital. The urgently needed knowledge is available for you in this channel, which is called The True Way to Heaven Gospel Messages, and still in another YouTube channel which is called the End Time Breaking Mackenzie. Note this clearly, that most of the messages in that channel, which is called End Time Breaking Mackenzie, have been preached in Kiswahili language. The divine urgently needed messages are available for you in these two YouTube channels. Therefore, what are you waiting for, and what are you doing in the entertainment channels, comedies, business videos, and even worldly movies in Netflix? All these things that you are spending too much time on them are just wasting your time, and they will lead you to hell. People of this world, I am serious, and I am speaking to the whole world. My friends, remember your Maker and seek His knowledge, because He is the one who is the giver of life. Stop seeking worldly knowledge, because it will harm you and throw you into the lake of fire. The movies, entertainment, and comedies that you are watching in YouTube and Netflix will lead you to hell. You are there in YouTube watching useless movies and comedies, but when you see the gospel, you pretend that you cannot see the gospel, and as if there is no gospel in YouTube. That one will not help you, but will cause trouble upon you. Stop seeking worldly knowledge because it is dangerous. Dear friends, if you really love your neighbor and your family and anyone you know, you cannot fail to share this message with them for safety. Please let us unite together and share this notice worldwide as fast as possible. Even the popular TV station, if they really love their viewers, they cannot fail to share this notice in their channels. And they will repeat this notice every day free of charge without charging the source of the notice. Not even $1. We need to save lives through the blood of Christ Jesus. People are perishing, people are dying, the world is suffering. Simply because they never recognize their Maker who made them and gave them the breath of life. Dear friends, time is coming when this golden opportunity will disappear forever. And people will cry like they have never cried before, and they will cry forever. Because they never recognized their Maker and they loved entertainment more than the gospel. Unite together to share this notice as fast as possible worldwide in order to save lives. The world is ending and people need to prepare themselves for the coming of Christ to get the crown of life. May the grace of Christ, yes, may the grace of our Maker be with you.